Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel ChemWis. In this video we are going to discuss Dieckmann condensation. In this reaction, a diester in the presence of a base like sodium alkoxide in alcohol as a solvent undergoes intramolecular Claisen condensation to produce cyclic beta-keto ester. You can also use other bases like sodium hydride, LDA, LiHMDS, etc. in an aprotic solvent like THF, dioxane or toluene. This condensation works well when there is the formation of 5 or 6 membered ring. Mechanism of Dieckmann condensation. Diester has acidic alpha protons. Base abstracts one of the alpha protons to produce enolate, which undergoes addition to ester group like this to produce this cyclic intermediate. The cyclic intermediate then removes alkoxide ion like this to produce cyclic beta-keto ester. Examples of Dieckmann condensation. Diethyl adipate when treated with sodium ethoxide in ethanol produces ethyl 2-oxopentane carboxylate. Similarly, when diethyl heptane dioate is treated with sodium ethoxide in ethanol produces ethyl 2-oxocyclohexane carboxylate. Dieckmann condensation is also useful for making heterocyclic beta-keto ester. For example, when ethyl acrylate is allowed to react with ethyl glycolate in the presence of potassium tertiary as a base in THF as a solvent produces heterocyclic beta-keto ester A and B. The explanation for their formation is that the ethyl acrylate and ethyl glycolate undergo Michael addition to produce this unsymmetrical diester. Generation of carbon ion at this alpha carbon followed by cyclization gives compound A, while generation of carbon ion at this alpha carbon followed by cyclization gives compound B. That's all in this video. Please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon if you like this video. Thank you very much for watching this video.